Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Honda Accord EXL, stock number Z9579A. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report, blue sky metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. The Accord's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Advanced safety features, including backup camera, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This EXL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control along with adaptive cruise control, controlling the distance between the cars in front of you. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation. Radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And the high-mounted backup camera display, which you can change the view to your preference. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. USB connectivity. And heated front seats. Automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Accord has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and the city average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Accord, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.